Whether you're looking to enhance your driving experience, increase safety, or simply make your daily commute a bit more enjoyable, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to discover the latest 10 useful car gadgets that you should buy. CarAIDE. The CarAIDE is not your typical multi-tool like a Leatherman or a Swiss Army knife. Instead, it's a robust device that stands apart with a unique capability to crack open a car window. Its considerable size is attributed to the powerful 8,000 mAh battery housed within its cylindrical, solid metal body. This hefty battery reserves an impressive function, enabling CarAIDE to jumpstart your car even when it retains just 50% of the charge. In addition to resurrecting your car's battery in mere seconds, the multi-tool houses an array of other neatly concealed tools. These include a strong hammer, a seatbelt cutter, an SOS flasher for emergencies, a compass, a burglar alarm, and a USB charger, illuminating paths up to 755 feet ahead. The device is also equipped with a luminary flashlight, making it a formidable and handy all-in-one tool for any car owner. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. The Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit is a groundbreaking tool, an advanced tire inflator. This tool operates through a distinct slime sealant that emanates from the inside of the tire, mending any puncture that measures up to 1/4 of an inch. The potent slime repair is capable of withstanding over 500 miles, providing ample distance to reach a tire repair establishment securely. Apart from its unique features, this device functions like the usual tire inflator. You plug it into the car socket, connect the hose, and initiate the inflation with a simple button push. An integrated digital display facilitates the monitoring of real-time tire pressure. If situations arise where the tire is overinflated, fret not, for the device is equipped with a deflate button specifically designed for such instances. Michelin Uptis Airless Tires. Explore the future of driving with Michelin's Uptis Airless tires, where cutting-edge design meets eco-conscious innovation. These tires redefine durability, offering unparalleled resistance to all kinds of damage. The 3D printed design only resolves age-old tire issues by eradicating flat tires and the hassle of pressure maintenance. But it also recycles over 1/5 of waste tires, enhanced for seamless travel over diverse terrains. The Uptis not only improves your driving experience, but also significantly cuts down on the resin used in tire production, marking a triumph for sustainability. Mobileye 8. The Mobileye 8 Connect transcends traditional navigation systems by serving as an advanced driver assistance system, adept for drivers familiar with satellite navigation. Beyond guiding from point A to point B, it proactively scans for potential hazards, utilizing a 3-component setup: a camera behind the rear-view mirror, a GPS unit on the passenger's side, and a display on the driver's side. This system alerts drivers to risks such as speeding, unsignaled lane changes, and tailgating through audio and visual cues. Moreover, it collects vital data on weather, traffic lights, and road conditions, ensuring drivers are equipped with the most current information via over-the-air updates for enhanced road safety. Digital side view monitors. In 2018, Lexus, the high-end arm of Toyota, revolutionized auto technology by unveiling the world's premier digital side view monitors. Rather than acting like traditional mirrors, these monitors display digitized views of the car's rear, left, and right. They operate by substituting conventional side view mirrors With sophisticated cameras, this cutting-edge system not only helps drivers make safer maneuvers, but it also significantly reduces blind spots. This happens when a driver shifts to reverse gear or uses the turn signals, prompting the camera to automatically offer an expanded field of vision. An additional selling point of this groundbreaking technology is its superior visibility during nighttime, a marked improvement over regular mirrors. TrapTap. This innovative gadget, designed to be attached to your dashboard with an included sticky pad, utilizes a tricolor LED to alert you of red light cameras, speeding, or concealed speed traps. Alerts can be effortlessly silenced with a tap, and users can contribute to its effectiveness by double tapping to mark new traps on a shared map, despite being equipped with GPS and Bluetooth capabilities for smartphone pairing and receiving additional notifications. Some users have reported difficulties with detection accuracy and device pairing. Mojipic Emoji car display. Enhance your driving experience with a versatile LED display for your car, controlled by a mobile app that offers an array of emojis, animations, and the ability to create custom images and text. This easily installed display provides a fun way to express yourself, whether it's to show baby onboard science, support your team, or just share messages. Siri and Google Assistant compatibility ensures a hands-free operation for safety, while passengers can delight in entertaining 8-bit games. Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. The Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor, as its name indicates, is a sophisticated device designed to monitor and analyze car performance in real time. This innovative product from Zeus connects directly to your car's OBD to data link connector, allowing for a seamless link between your vehicle and the technology by simply initiating a scan from the accompanying smartphone app. The device comprehensively scans your vehicle for any potential issues, leveraging its proprietary predictive algorithm. It diagnoses common problems by interpreting engine error codes and can even provide video tutorials for troubleshooting and repairs. To utilize all its features, the device requires a connection to either an iPhone or Android smartphone, ensuring users have easy access to the health of their vehicle at their fingertips. Roav VIVA Pro. The Roav VIVA Pro is not just a typical USB port for your car, but a high-tech edition offering advanced functionality. By plugging into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet, it provides Alexa support, allowing full voice recognition and hands-free control over your phone's capabilities, synced with the Roav VIVA app on your Android or iPhone. This dongle caters to your needs for maps, music, calls, and texts. All these features are available while efficiently charging your device, ensuring your multitasking is undisturbed. Hudly Wireless. For those longing to upgrade their car with advanced head-up display technology without overspending, Hudly Wireless offers an intriguing solution. Originally launched via crowdfunding platforms Kickstarter and Indiegogo, this innovative gadget is designed to seamlessly connect with your smartphone. It projects your phone's display directly onto your car's windscreen. This feature is primarily aimed at enhancing your driving experience by allowing you to use navigation apps without diverting your gaze from the road. Beyond navigation, Hudly Wireless is versatile enough to project a wide range of content, including photos and videos, directly onto your windscreen, making for a more connected and immersive driving experience.